Hello.
You're gonna have to go left right here. Yeah.
All right. When we come back down, we got to race.
What, did you see it? What's that?
Wait, should I live stream? I feel like
Dude, that's tough. Look at that.
What?
Now you grab that.
Oh,
bro. You
just grab that. What do you want to say to the camera, Will?
Hello, beautiful, and I'm beautiful. Hello, God.
Hail Jesus, my Lord and Savior.
Real. All right. Whatever routes you take, I have to go a different way. Okay. Holy. Oh. Ow.
I was gonna jump over you, dude.
Ow. Ow. Ugh. All right, I'm not going under that. I gotta go across. Oh, dude, I scraped my arm so bad.
I passed the line.
Oh.
I'm careful.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Woo!
Slide all the way down?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. You almost hit the edge.
Yeah,
Why would you have your hat on?
I don't know.
It's at the bottom. It's at the bottom for sure. Oh no, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. That's good.
Right there in the middle.
How are you sure it's deep?
Yeah, I didn't touch.
Right there.
Right there.
All right, let's go. That is cold. Bro, this is like 5-degree water. All right, slide down. Oh, fuck.
Let me make it smell bad. Right here. We sat up 30. Yeah, we sat up here. I don't think they're camping.
Oh yeah. Oh. Look at that. It's a nice slide. He ain't lose the hat this time. Oh yeah, Mason. Oh, it is so damn cold.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
I'm gonna go under there.
You can dive down. There's like people lost shit down at the bottom. Like sunglasses and shit.
Really?
Yeah. What? Did you fall? Yeah. What the fuck are you doing?
I got that shit.
You got level.
All right. Check me out.
Pokey rock.
Let's explore. little boy. Oh my gosh.
You wanna get in it?
Oh my god. I'm going under.
It's so cold. This is ice bath.
It feels good.
Get your whole body in it.
Well, I'm in the camera. I'm trying to record, but
Good for our blood.
Good for our
I
circulatory
forgot.
system.
The water's colder than this diving in deep depths.
Yeah, but you got like a suit on.
Yeah, it's still cold as shit.
Find your peace.
You saw. Just don't move around.
Oh, listen.
You can make a little warm pocket, but I can't because there's moving water right there.
It's gonna stay colder
Yeah.
with moving water.
Yeah.
I am shivering.
Namaste.
Hey, look, that's cool. Look at the polarization. Look at the screen. It just goes away. You see that?
Yeah.
Did you get me going under?
What?
Did you get me going under?
Go under.
Like follow my face going under?
Yeah, go.
I'll do it after him.
I started floating. I started floating and going closer.
My hat's just gonna fall off in it.
That'd be cool.
Completely with bubble freezing in here.
Oh, we'll make a fire, dude. Come on.
Yeah, it's an ice bath. All right.
Holy shit, dude. We sit with our backs on the waterfall.
Do it.
No, you do it.
Okay. I can barely move. It's so cold.
Yeah.
Like it hurts to move. My body's like, don't move.
Trying to conserve energy.
Yeah.
It's kind of gonna be comfortable though.
Dude, I can meditate right here for sure. It feels good. It feels really good. Yeah. It does. You just gotta get used to it.
I did. No, like
I'm not getting in my bag. That's why I was a little hole.
It feels so nice getting out of that water. Get back in there. Lay back, lay back. Put your head on. Oh yeah. No, it feels good after a little bit.
Quit doing that shit. What did you do? You kept going.
Sit right here.
William's turn.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Put your head
Put your head back.
back. Put your head back. Take the hat off.
No, take it off, trust me.
Take it off. Don't hit your head. Let's find balance. Find tension. Put your feet together.
I just recorded you doing that.
I went down so fast.
Dude, my phone nicked my balls as I jumped. Back slang and smacked the sack, brother.
Is it low, the battery?
It's a little low.
I can't. Ooh.
Magic Springs. Dude, look at the clouds.